Hi, what's up, everybody? I just got a box today in the mail, and I got this box on eBay, and I ordered a convenience store or a grocery store. So I want to share this with you. So I'll be unboxing this and showing it to you. Got this store for like $20. Got it cheap. The seller is pretty nice. I ordered this on Friday. Now it's Tuesday, and this has shipping on it. You just have the package. I think it comes painted, so I don't do anything to it. Pretty cool. I think this plastic wheel makes it. I'll show you the store. It's like a convenience store, I believe. It's nice. I'm gonna put this in my layout somewhere. Sorry, the back side. Side there. And I like the stop sign there. Pretty cool. But yeah, that's my building. Thanks for watching.
Shoppers located at advertising on Nerve Store.